Chapter 8. The Royal Bengal Tiger, our national animal. In the given chapter, we will discuss about our national animal, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Explore the world of the Royal Bengal Tiger, the amazing striped jungle king. Have you ever thought why the tiger is considered the national animal of India? Tiger was chosen as the national animal of India because of its grace, strength, quick movement and enormous power. Tiger has always been considered as a royal animal. As the national animal of India, the tiger symbolizes the power, strength, elegance, alertness, intelligence and tolerance of the nation. But nowadays the population of tigers in the world is decreasing. Due to illegal trading of tigers' skin and other body parts, they are being killed and very few tigers are left in the world today. There are only 5,000 to 7,000 tigers in the world today, out of which Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, China and Myanmar claim to have a population of 3,000 to 4,500 and India alone claims to have a population of 2,500 to 3,750. In India, out of the 8 known types of tiger, the Royal Bengal tiger is found throughout the country except in the northwestern region. As there was a fear that tigers might be wiped out from the Indian soil, the Indian government launched Project Tiger in 1973. Project Tiger focuses not only on preserving the remaining tiger population in the country but also in increasing their population. Under this project, 23 tiger reserves were established throughout the country, providing safe and comfortable shelter to the tigers in their natural environment. By 1993, there was increase in the population of tigers in the country. However, despite the increase, the population of tigers in the country is still not satisfactory in comparison to the effort and money put into the project. This is due to the illegal poaching of the tigers and negligence of authorities towards the alarming situation of the tiger population in the country. The latest estimates show that 3,682 tigers roamed inside forest reserves in the country in 2022. Tiger Census Report August 2023, NTCA. This shows an increase in the tiger population of India. With this, India has around 75% of the world's tigers. The protection efforts are showing results. Hopefully, in the coming years, the population of tigers will increase further with the efforts of the government and also the people of our country.